MySQL Workbench is a powerful tool for database management that allows you to interact with MySQL databases visually. In this lesson, we will guide you through the installation process of MySQL Workbench, enabling you to manage your databases effectively. By the end of this lesson, you will have a fully functioning MySQL Workbench installation on your computer, ready for database programming and management. Don't worry if this feels new at first. This section covers what's MySQL Workbench. MySQL Workbench is an integrated development environment, IDE, used for database design, modeling, and administration. It provides tools for, first, database design and modeling, also, SQL development, also, database administration, finally, data migration. With MySQL Workbench, you can visually create and manage your databases, making it easier to handle complex database tasks. System requirements. Let's dig in. Before installing MySQL Workbench, ensure your system meets the following requirements. First, operating system. Windows, macOS, or Linux also, are AM, minimum 2 GB. For gigabytes recommended, also, disk space. At least 1 GB of free space. Finally, MySQL server. MySQL Workbench requires a MySQL server installation. You can install it separately or use an existing server. Next, downloading MySQL Workbench. To download MySQL Workbench, follow these steps. First, visit the MySQL Workbench download page. Next, select your operating system from the options available. Then, choose the version of MySQL Workbench that's compatible with your system. Finally, click the download link. You may need to log in or create an Oracle account, but you can also choose the "No thanks, just start my download" option. Now we're on installing MySQL Workbench. Once you have downloaded the installer, follow these steps to install MySQL Workbench. You'll use this often as you go. Let's walk through the main points. First, locate the downloaded installer file, which is typically found in your Downloads folder. Next, double-click on the installer to start the installation process. Then, follow the on-screen instructions. The full list is on the slide if you want to review it. Next, launching MySQL Workbench. After installation, you can launch MySQL Workbench. First, on Windows, find MySQL Workbench in the Start menu or on your desktop. Next, on macOS, open Finder and navigate to the Applications folder. Then find MySQL Workbench. Finally, on Linux, you can launch it from your Applications menu or terminal by typing MySQL Workbench. Upon launching, you will see the MySQL Workbench home screen, where you can create new connections, manage existing databases, and access various tools. In this lesson, you learned about MySQL Workbench, its system requirements, how to download it, and the steps to install and launch it on your computer. You're now equipped with the necessary tools to manage databases effectively as you continue your journey into Python programming and database applications. Go ahead and work through this exercise. First, download and install MySQL Workbench on your computer. Also, explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the available tools. Finally, create a new database connection and connect to a MySQL server. Your turn. Work through the exercise on this slide at your own pace.